Spaghetti alla matriciana is a typical dish of Italian cuisine, originating from Abruzzo but known and appreciated all over the world. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 400 grams of spaghetti, 250 grams of guanciale, 400 grams of peeled tomatoes, grated pecorino romano, an optional red chili pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and salt. Cut the guanciale into strips or cubes and brown it in a pan with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil until it becomes crispy. Add the chopped chili pepper if you want a spicy touch. Add the peeled tomatoes, previously crushed with a fork, and let them cook on medium-low heat until the sauce has thickened and reduced. While the sauce is cooking, bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook the spaghetti al dente, following the times indicated on the package. Drain the spaghetti and pour them into the pan with the sauce, tossing them for a few minutes to flavor them well. Turn off the heat and add a generous amount of grated pecorino romano cheese. Mix to combine everything together. Serve the spaghetti alla matriciana while hot, and if you like, add more pecorino to taste. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the delicious recipes we have in store for you, and visit our website for more treats. The original recipe calls for the use of guanciale and not pancetta, and pecorino romano, which give the dish its characteristic flavors. Also, unlike other preparations that include the use of onion, onion is not present in the canonical recipe of the amatriciana.